Welcome back to Great Day. Historic Missouri wine country is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of day-to-day life. The wine, the views, the positive vibes. What else do you really need? Angie Geis is the co-owner of Noboleis Vineyards. She joins us now to tell us what sets their winery apart. Angie, it's so good to see you.
Thank you. So great to see you, and thank you for having us on with you today.
We're thrilled to have you with us. So first question, what does set Noboleis Vineyards apart from the other wineries?
We're a winery first and foremost. And so you'll see when you come onto our property, you'll see the vineyards, you'll kind of see it's a 84 acres of property and about 16 acres of vineyard. And we produce all of our wines from those vineyards as well as other local vineyards. And we produce everything on site. And so really when you have a bottle of Noboleis wine, you are really having a truly locally produced wine that when you come to visit us, you're sitting right where that wine was produced. And so we feel like that is something that's very special about what we do. And also we're family owned and operated. My parents founded it in 2005, and my sister, Chris Newbold, and I are currently at the helm. And so I think that's kind of what sets us apart.
I love that it's a family-owned business. Why should our viewers visit Noboleis Vineyards?
Well, I think, we're all ready to get out, right? I think that has been the theme, and we have seen that in Augusta this past year, that just people are ready to be outside. They want to come and enjoy time with their friends and their family, and you can do that at Noboleis so easily. Just the way that we're set up, when you come into our tasting room, you can order a wine flight that comes on a wooden, tray that you can carry outside, and you can either sit on our tented pavilion in the shade and overlook wine country, or you can find a table in the sun, or you can even bring a blanket if you want to bring your family. And we're family friendly. Small kids can, they can run around, and it's a very relaxing atmosphere.
Sounds like it. And as we wrap this up, please tell us about your hours and any special events that are going to be happening.
Yeah, we are open every day except for Tuesday. We open at 11 and close at 5. We're open for lunch. And we also have grab and go items. You can bring a picnic lunch, and we have live music every weekend. And something we're doing new this year, which we would love for people to check out, is we're having something called First Fridays, where we will stay open until 8 o'clock every first Friday of the month, and we'll have live music and vendors. And we had our first one in April, and it was a lot of fun.
It sounds like it, Angie. Thank you. For more information about Noboleis Vineyards, please contact their tasting room at 636-482-4500 or visit their website at noboleisvineyards.com. And just as a reminder, the Augusta Plein Air Art Festival is happening right now, so head to augustapleinair.com to learn more.